Hi everyone, welcome to my mostly veggie kitchen, exploring quick and easy ways to use more vegetables in everyday meal. Kinpira is a traditional Japanese sweet stir-fried side dish, usually with burdock root. But burdock root is sometimes hard to find. So in this episode, I'm using kohlrabi instead of burdock root. Let's begin. Kohlrabi's texture and taste are somewhat similar to broccoli stems. It's a very versatile vegetable. After peeling it, cut it into matchsticks. Cut the carrot also into matchsticks. Mince green onions. Heat a little bit of olive oil in a pan. And add just a little bit of sesame oil for flavor. Add carrot and kohlrabi. Cook them until tender. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. One tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. Add a 1/4 cup of water. And continue cooking for about 5 minutes. When the liquid is almost gone, sprinkle white sesame seeds and green onions. Serve on the rice, and bon appétit everyone! I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'd love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.